Let's do another example. This time, let's look up a drug through the index. Be sure that the letters from your previous search are cleared prior to typing in your next search. For instance, let's look up amiodarone. Notice that PEPID has IV drip rate calculators integrated into its content. If you simply highlight the drip icon and use your menu button to select it, this will take you to an IV drip rate calculator. Now let's look at the pediatric dosing for this drug. This will take us to a weight-based calculator for this drug. You can use your keyboard to enter in values. Notice, if you manually change the dosage amount, a warning will appear alerting you that the dose you have entered exceeds the recommended dosage. Let's do one more example of a drug through the index. Let's put in warfarin. Notice that the word warfarin shows up in blue. All drugs in our index will show up in blue. Let's look at the quick links menu for warfarin. With any of our drugs you select from the index, you will see all of this information related to that particular drug, from adult dosing to nursing considerations. Let's select indications. Notice this EB icon. This means that there is evidence-based information embedded into the content. If you'd like to read more about the inquiry, simply click on it for more information. We also have an interactions generator integrated within the content. As we scroll further down into the content, you will see that we also have trade and cost information, IV information, including incompatibilities, preparation, administration, and storage, as well as nursing considerations. Besides having a drug interactions generator embedded in the drug content, you can also access this through the menu. Our drug database contains roughly 7,500 drug names, including US, Canadian, over-the-counter, generics, herbals, and foods. Our drug interactions generator allows you to select up to 8 drugs and see how those 8 drugs will interact on a level of 1 to 5, 5 being the most severe. Let's do an example of an interaction. To find drugs in our database, simply start typing in the name of the drug using the keyboard on your BlackBerry. Once the name of the drug appears, simply highlight it and select it, which saves your selection, and start typing in the name of the next drug that you are looking for. Once you are done selecting your drugs, click the middle button on your BlackBerry and choose Confirm Selection. This will allow you to double-check the drugs that you have entered. Then, click on the middle button of your BlackBerry and select Get Interactions. This will show you the interactions among the drugs that you have entered. Simply highlight the interaction and select it to read the details. This is just a brief showing of PEPID RN Pro. To recap, this product is a point-of-care tool created specifically for nurses to obtain quick, accurate information. PEPID contains all of the elements of clinical decision support and does it with seamless integration.